going to show you how to create breakout groups within Canvas using Teams. So I want to show you an example of what it's going to look like first before we actually do it. So here's an example. So I'm going to go to my course. So I'm going to go to scroll down, past all of this, to where I do my breakout groups. So there's my schedule. Here's my assignments right here. So right here, I'm going to click on ELA, and it's going to take me to my page. So here's our page for this week. We'll see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now, I will tell you this. So while my students are working on, while I'm meeting with students, pulling groups, I have students working on skill stations. My skill stations look a little bit like this. And so it's just different activities that I have set up for them to do while I'm pulling small groups. All right. So I'm going to go back. So while I'm pulling small groups, my students are doing their skill stations. And I just put a reminder here, remember guys, during skill station time, I will pull you for small groups to meet with me. Make sure to continue to work until your time is with me. And then I have it listed what time we meet, right? And then I'll have a link right here, but I also have the link right here for them so they can click on either the picture or here. And then underneath that, there's the names of the students that will meet with me from 9 to 9:25. Same thing over here with my group 2 that will meet with me from 9:25 to 9:45. All right. So that's an example of what it looks like. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I did this. So I'm going to do view all pages. All right. And that was my ELA 16th through the 20th page. And all I do from week to week or day to day is copy it, all right, or duplicate it rather. So you click on the little snowman, the 3 dots right there, and then click duplicate. Well, when you duplicate, it duplicates a page, and it will say ELA November 16th through the 20th. And you'll notice that this page for this week is published. The one for next week is not published. So until I'm ready to publish it. All right, so here's that page. Here's that copy. You'll notice this is the copy. So I'm going to click edit. So when I'm working on this, I'm going to go ahead and, change the date up here to the 27th. So it's not a copy anymore. And then I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. I'll probably, I'll have to change these right here to match up. Right. Oops. Okay. And then, those are all linked to other pages. Those images are, and then you see my whatever right here. And then here's my time. And there's the image that I'm using too. So I can change that link out in a few, but I want to show you how to create the link first. Okay. So wherever your cursor is linking, that's where the link will go. So you might want to, if you have wording right there, I'm going to space down, hit enter. That way I have a space right here so I can insert my link. And to insert a Microsoft Teams link to do your breakout groups, guys, you're going to come up here and click the plug. And because I use Microsoft Teams meetings all the time, it usually pops up for me. But for you guys, your first time doing this, you're going to select View All. Then when you get in here, you're going to see all of, Cam Studio, Microsoft Office 365, Safari, YouTube. But the thing that you're going to select is Microsoft Teams. When you do, it may make you sign in the first time, okay? So it may make you sign in the first time. Hopefully it will go a little faster. And when it loads, it will have like a little meeting thing and then a little picture icon. And then down here, right here at the bottom, it will say create link. As soon as it loads, right, let me try one more time. Right, there we go. Finally. Okay, so there's the icon, the calendar icon that I was referring to you about, and it says create Teams meetings for your course. Get started on Teams by creating a meeting you can share with people in your course. You just select create meeting link, and then you're going to want to add a title. So for this one, I'm just going to say 9 o'clock to, I think it was 9:25, 9:25, meeting with group 1. And then I'm going to be honest with you, it really doesn't matter on the time right here. I mean, if you want to go in there, like if it makes you feel better, you can go in there and change it, but it's a static link, meaning that it's going to be, I mean, I could come back to it years and years and years later, okay? So it's just a static link. And I mean, you really don't have to worry about that. And then you just hit create. And then it's going to create the link for you. All right. And then if you scroll down and you select copy, it will paste it into that underneath it where I had my cursor. So here we go. There's our meeting link. The kids can just click there. If it does put this joining dial, by dialing in conference ID, honestly, you don't need that. You can delete that out. There's the link right there. And then I can take this link just by clicking on it. And I'm going to do that again so you can see it. So if I just hover over it, link options pops up. I can take that link. And if I need to link it to a picture, I can remove the old link, click on the picture, add an external link, paste that link right there, done. So the picture is linked right there. So it is, and it's linked, there's a link up here for my students. And then if I need to change the students out, I can totally change them out if I haven't done that already, which I've already done it here. And then I'm going to go over here and do the same thing. So I'm going to do my cursor, make sure it's blinking, right? And then I'm going to select Microsoft Teams meetings. The box will pop up. It will have the little calendar icon, and then it will say create meeting link. I select create meeting link. I would go in here and type in, whatever you want to name that meeting. And then hit create. And then again, you're going to hit copy. It's going to paste it when my cursor was blinking. There it is right there. You can take out the join by dialing here number and then the conference ID. You select on it. This box will pop up for link options. I can take that link, select it all, copy it, and then remove the link from my picture. Oops, sorry. I already removed the link, but I need to add a link, so do an external link. Sorry about that, guys. And paste it in and hit done. And like once you set the links, with like one time, you don't have to keep remaking it unless you want to have multiple links like that. If you wanted to have another group, you could totally have another group. But right now I have like 3 station, rotations going on with this. And then there's my kids. And then I just go down here and do save. So there it is, November 23rd through the 27th. There's all my stuff set up right there. There's the link, so the kids can either click here or they can click on the picture. And I will meet with these kids during that time. All right, guys, so I'm coming back after the break, and it will be that Tuesday. I think it's December the 1st, I want to say, yes. And during that time, I'll be able to support you guys, help, get this going with you guys if you need help. Anything like that, I'll be there all day that Tuesday to support you guys with this and meet you anytime you need me to meet with you. But I look forward to working with you guys, and I can't wait. If you need anything else between now and then, don't hesitate to email me, contact me, text me, whatever you need to do, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.